First graders, Mr. Igo,
and Mrs. Walker.
and we're here to finish up our alphabet. So the three letters today we have the letter X, the letter Y, and the letter Z. Let's talk about those sounds. So the letter X says X. What's it say, Mrs. Walker? Awesome. So X, a few words. What's a word that starts with X?
X-ray.
X-ray. Can you think of one? Good. How about where X is at the end of a word?
Like fox.
Ooh, fox, box, all those. Okay, next up we have Y. Now Y has two sounds. It says Y, and that's usually at the beginning of words like
Yellow.
yellow or yarn. Can you think of another one? Good. At the end of a word, it says E, like in
Happy.
happy, sleepy. What else? Nice job. And the last one we have is Z. What's a word that starts with Z, Mrs. Walker?
Zebra.
Zebra. All right, first grader, your turn. What's a word that starts with Z? Awesome. Well, nice job. And that's it. Now we're moving on to those vowels. See ya.